Come see what we've got for you.
Slowly.
You're going to go down like a big boy?
Daddy, that was a big boy.
Okay, well, you be careful. Maybe hold on to the wall. Hold on to the wall, buddy. Good boy.
Come and see. Mummy and Daddy have made you something. Oh my gosh. He's actually never walked down the stairs like this before. Look at you walking down like a big boy. Okay, you ready? Yeah!
Do you like it, Eden?
Around hell.
Yeah, go up the hill.
Eden, what do you think?
Oh, cat.
Eden, what do you say? What do you say to Mummy and Daddy?
Oh, Mama.
You're welcome.
Can't call Daddy, Mama, Daddy.
You're welcome, Eden. Yeah, it's all stuck on. You can't take it off.
Mm-hmm.
Is that fun?
Good, Mama. Good, Mama.
Go all the way round and you can see all the other ones. Look, there's another train here. There's a Thomas train.
A tummy pain it down. A tummy pain it down, Mama.
Uh-oh.
Slowly.
Let's stay on, Daddy. This stay on. This stay where?
Oopsies.
Daddy. The tummy is coming.
Choo-choo. Where does it go, Eden? Yeah, keep on.
Go through the tunnel. And out the other side. Go round.